How do you know if you have psychic abilities? What we see on TV creates the impression that psychics are rare individuals with special powers or gifts, but the truth is, everyone is psychic. It's just that some people instinctively use these senses and others have yet to develop their skills. Owning your psychic abilities and using them to advance in your everyday life is easier than you may think. It simply takes a little know-how. Psychic tools and mental exercises used in a cohesive meditation is all that it takes. The Psychic School provides you with these meditation tools and exercises, allowing you to flex your clairvoyant muscles, expand your psychic awareness, and use your abilities to direct your life, create your future, and achieve your goals. Students like you can attend our courses from the comfort of your home, over the telephone, through the internet, or by listening to MP3 recordings. This flexibility allows everyone, regardless of geographic location or time limitations, to participate in our classes. The Psychic School is offering our Clairvoyant Meditation Open House to everyone interested so that you can become acquainted with our curriculum and jumpstart your psychic development right away. Sign up now and receive a special discount on our next Clairvoyant Meditation 101 class. This is indeed a great opportunity to get a feel for our school and see what it can do to change your life. The Psychic School teachers look forward to meeting you and guiding you through your psychic awakening.